licensed for 9 years, since 2014, and I have studied under some of the top natural health doctors in the United States. Dr. DeSantis, which is in Indiana, is the naturopathic doctor that I first received my certification from in 2014. And since then, I have went on to study under the top liver health doctor in the world, Dr. De Maria, and other doctors, Dr. Jockers, and such. I have helped over 1,000 people across the world to heal themselves naturally, whether it was with group cleanses, church detox programs online, as well as one-on-one clients. But I am very excited today to talk to you about my newest program, which is the Health Reset program. And I am building a team of ladies as we empower and help women across the globe to heal themselves naturally. So chances are, sister, no matter where you are, I was there. At age 39, I was severely overweight, and I did not know why. I was eating healthy and I was working out, and I seemed to be getting sicker and sicker. I was extremely overweight by this time at 285 pounds, and I was just full of skin rashes, digestive disorders, pre-diabetes, pre-high cholesterol, borderline high blood pressure, gum disease, infertility, miscarriages. I mean, the list goes on and on. But it wasn't until I was diagnosed with 4 large fibroids and the doctor told me that I needed to have an immediate hysterectomy that I decided to take my life and my health back into my own hands. Now, you see my big bright smile, it hid the pain inside, because inside I was really just very confused on why was I consistently getting sicker and sicker when I was doing everything I thought I knew to do. This is another picture of me, a couple more pictures of me. As you can see, I had the hormonal belly, super thick arms, and again, I was working out and eating what I thought was healthy. This is another picture of me in my 40s, and I had the famous hormonal belly and the super large butt and just thick arms and everything. And this is very typical for us women. Once we get into our 30s, our mid 30s and up, we start to gain like 10 pounds a year, and we're not sure why. Once I learned how to heal myself holistically and learn the power of the 4-step system, which I'm going to show you today, I was able to overcome all of my health concerns. I never had to get the hysterectomy. My body reversed and healed itself. I never had to get a root canal. My gums healed themselves. My vision went from wearing glasses for reading to 2015, which is better than perfect. These were all very unexpected changes that happened in my body. And I am just elated and so excited. Now at the age of 52, I am living my best life. As you can see here, my waistline is now under 30 inches. And I am now in the size 10. I have lost pretty much all the weight that has plagued me, and I have not been in a size 10 probably since I was 10 years old. But I am free of any hormonal challenges, and currently I am going through I'm going through menopause right now, and I don't have the hot flashes, I don't have the backaches, the forgetfulness, and things like that that plague most of us women. I am not bragging. I am just saying that we don't have to be sick in our 50s, my sisters. You know, once you cleanse your body and heal your body, you will be amazed at the changes that will take place. This is another picture of me taken a month ago at my church event. I'm jumping rope, and I can remember over the years when my church would have our picnics and I would, run and jump and play with the kids, or I'm very youthful. I love to play around. But the next day I couldn't even go to church because I'd be in so much pain. And this was when I was in my 40s. Now I'm in my 50s and I'm jumping and running and jumping rope, as you can see. I just really enjoy life. I'm at the gym all the time. I'm going walking. There's me walking to getting 10,000 steps in every single day. At the park, at the Country Club Hills football. Look, Doreen, I have a flat stomach now. They're gone. And I can't wait to get your ultrasound, because I already know when you get your ultrasound, you're going to see a difference.
Yeah, I believe that. I would like to leave everyone with a few words, which are believe the impossible. You know, sometimes I think we stop our own progress because we think, oh, that can't happen. They can't go away. She can't heal that. She can't do what she says. Well, believe the impossible. I feel like we believe in everything else.
Program. Your recipes were very easy to prepare, and they were very delicious. And 6 months later, my fibroids have shrunk, my menstrual cycles have regulated, and I to date have lost almost 30 pounds. I would recommend your
Surprised that after just about 3 days, I felt a lot more energy than I had felt before. I began to feel that pains were less than they had. My joints began to feel more fluid. I felt as if I could bend and move around with a lot more ease than I typically had. But the biggest surprise was after about a week of doing the program, I realized I didn't have a headache. And I've had headaches almost every single day of my life since I was in high school. So this was a huge thing. I also noticed that weight was dropping off. I was losing it pretty rapidly, and by the end of the 21-day detox, I had lost around 20 pounds. So that was pretty amazing. I have many more to go, but with the program, I was very surprised with what had happened.
Hi, Doreen. I have a new life story to tell. My name is Janice, and I live in Country Club Hills, Illinois. I began my journey with the January Detox Group and have continued eating a plant-based, healthy diet ever since. My initial goal was to lose weight because my weight had become out of control. But since I've changed my eating habits, I've gained so much more than just the weight loss. My healthy improvements have been phenomenal. Previously, I suffered from severe joint knee pain for about 4 months. It disappeared after 2 weeks. I had an abscess tooth that lingered because I was unable to get to the dentist, but now it is healed. I have no pain, none. And reflecting on my initial goal, I have lost a total of 39.4 pounds. I can't believe it. People tell me I look 20 years younger. I sleep well, my skin is clearer, and my energy level has soared. My favorite dish is the vegetable soup with a humongous salad. What I like about the program most is the simplistic recipes for meals.
I mean, I look different, I feel different, my energy is different, and I'm grateful. My dad, who has really swollen feet and ankles, I was feeding him some of the foods on the program, and in less than a week, his feet were flat. And I don't know anybody who knows anything about heart failure or renal failure, but you have swollen feet and ankles. His feet were flat after just 1 week of eating the food from the pre-cleanse phase. And me, my sciatica, the pain lessened. I was able to sleep through the night. I wasn't having the same pains and issues in my side and in my stomach. I mean, my sinus pressure went away, allergies went away. It was just 1 week. I was amazed. And this was just not pills, not shots, nothing radical or crazy, just eating the right foods in the right way with the right herbs. And so fast forward, I'm either 4 or 5 weeks into the program. I love the program. I swear by the program. I'm almost down 30 pounds. And I say, thank you, God. I asked and He delivered.
I no longer suffer from allergies. I haven't taken any allergy medicine since I've started this program. On top of that, I've lost 17 pounds. I'm feeling a lot lighter. I can't see myself going back to the old way of living. It's just been tremendous healing from start to finish. She makes the menu, super easy to follow. Everything is so tasty. It's not complicated. So if you're thinking like, oh, I don't have time to make meal, like you can make a meal prep this in like less than an hour, and be done for the day. And that's, whatever's on your menu. I love the fact that she customized everything catered to your needs and your health. And so that's a lot of help, so you don't have to really think about like, oh, what I'm going to make today, what I'm going to eat. Like everything is already laid out for you. The accountability top notch. You don't have to worry about like, oh, maybe I won't finish. I'm always starting, stop. With this, you're gonna finish from start to finish. You're never gonna feel alone. You're not gonna feel deprived when it comes to the food. You get your hand held every step of the way.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to go ahead and come on here and talk to you about what happened while on my health reset journey. I was able to lose over 20 pounds and still counting. My adult acne from PMS has completely cleared up. My hair is shiny. My skin is radiant and soft. My dandruff is almost completely under control. My back pain is lessened and my knee pain is gone. My sleep is actually restful now and my energy is through the roof. I came in for my gas and stomach issues originally, which are under control. I can eat avocados again, and I am overly excited. And my allergies don't seem to bother me as much anymore, and I hope that they keep up because I am enjoying being able to breathe again.